Hey, good morning everyone. Today I'm really excited to see all your bright faces today. Have you ever wondered about how different animals come into the world? Such as ticks, fishes, and frogs. How were they born?
They were born from an adult animal.
Well, indeed, it's true that animals such as ticks, frogs, and kittens were born from an adult animal, but it's still not specific enough. Does anyone have another opinion here?
Miss, I have a pet dog at my house. She is a female dog, and I have even seen my pet dog pregnant and give birth to puppies. Do animals exist because they come out of their mother's belly?
Yes, that's right. It's true that animals like your dog do come out from their mother's belly. Because when a mother is pregnant, it means that there is a baby growing inside her. And after some time, when the mother gives birth, the baby, like your puppy, come out. So many animals, including dogs and cats, were born from an adult animal. Okay, they are all born from this way. So, since we have heard about the wonderful opinion from Tommy, which is related to the topic that we are going to discuss in today's lesson, let's delve deeper into this subject and learn about how animals are born and the reproductive system they used.
Smile and learn!
Hi, friends! Today we're going to see how to classify animals by their reproduction. I'm sure you already know that chicks are born from eggs, and puppies grow in their mother's wombs. Do you want to learn about the different ways animals reproduce? Let's dive right in! As you probably already know, animals have babies similar to themselves through reproduction. There are two types of reproduction: asexual and sexual reproduction. Oviparous. Oviparous animals hatch from an egg. Can you give me an example of an oviparous animal? I'll help you. Birds, like ducks, are oviparous. Most reptiles are oviparous, like this chameleon. What a cool animal! Fish are also oviparous. Did you know that a fish can lay up to 500 eggs at one time? It's amazing! And oh, I forgot! Insects are oviparous too! Eek! Viviparous. The babies of viviparous animals grow in their mother's wombs. Then, the mothers give birth to them. What animals are viviparous? Almost all mammals, including us humans, since we grow in our mother's wombs and are born from them. Dogs and cats are also examples of viviparous animals. Do you know how many puppies a female dog can give birth to? Up to 24 puppies in the same litter. Ovoviviparous.
Okay, after you have seen the video, what did you notice in the birthing process of every animal? Okay, I'll give you time to discuss about the differences in the birthing process of each animal and each group for 2 people. You can discuss and I will choose one of you to answer the question. Okay, so students, today we are going to explore 2 fascinating ways that animals start their lives. Some lay eggs and other one gives birth to live young. So today I'm going to introduce you the word of oviparous and viviparous. So firstly, oviparous. The word ova means eggs, and oviparous means that animals that can lay eggs. And for viviparous means that the fetus develop inside the mother's body and give birth to live young. So what are those animals that conclude to oviparous type? They are kind of birds such as chickens, dogs, and reptiles such as snakes, turtle, and for amphibians such as fishes and frogs. Okay? And right now for oviparous type one. So they are kind of mammals such as humans, cats, rabbits, and dogs. They are all belong to viviparous type 1. Okay, so let us have a little revision here about the material that I have just crystallized. Okay, so do you think at the left side picture, these animals are belong to oviparous or viviparous? Yes, they are belong to oviparous. But why? Because they can lay eggs. Okay, and let us look into the second picture at the right side one. So this picture, they are classified as oviparous or viviparous. Viviparous, why? Yes, because they can give birth. Okay. Alright, class. So right now, let's get into small groups now. We are going to play the game that is related to the materials that I have just teach you just now. So, but remember one thing, you have to take turn and let the others to make the answers too. Don't just make all the answers yourself, okay? Okay, students, so what did you learn from the game that you and your teammates have just played just now? Was it fun and challenging? Because I think there are many of the animals that were not mentioned in our materials but came up during the game. But can you please provide for me an example of an animal with its reproductive methods?
We think turtles are oviparous because they lay eggs.
Yes, very good, 没错. Okay, students, so according to what we have just learned so far, can you please tell me about the characteristic of oviparous? I will choose one of you to come in front to write down the answer. Okay, and for the second question, what is the main differences between oviparous and viviparous animals? Alright, and the third and the last question, can you please write down the reproduction system that they use of these animals? OK， 那现在我们的课程就到这边，谢谢你们的参与，拜拜，See you next week。